handsome I am, they're causing me alarm. Ah! That was a beautiful song from our sound. The The sound for apple, A for axe, and A for ant. Repeat with me, children. A for apple, A for axe, A for ant. Big A, small a. Oh, and here we have The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. For mango, for mat, for mommy. Hi, mummies. Fish, fish, fish. Fish is so yummy. Fish is very nice. It lives in water and it wiggles like this in the water. And here is a sound that reads fish, which is for fish, for flower. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. So children, let us look at our sounds one more time. We had the A sound for apple, A for axe, and A for ant. And here we had the sound for mango, for mat, and for our mummies. And we had the sound for flower, for fish, flower, fish. They read. Bye, children.